Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Oksy and I help entrepreneurs grow and get more clients using social media. And in today's video, let's talk about how you can make money on TikTok in 2020. But before we start, I want to announce that I just launched my Telegram channel about social media, where I'm going to share the latest news, updates, different tips and tricks, different templates that will help you to grow on social media. It's free to join for everyone, and I already published the free checklist there, how to grow your Instagram in 2020. So there is a link in the description below to this channel. Just join it and download your free checklist now. And let's move to the topic of this video. So TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform today with 500 million active users worldwide. Most people think that TikTok is for kids, but in reality, more and more adults have started joining this channel. For example, consultants, coaches, doctors, and they started building their audience. Some people become famous after their videos get viral on TikTok. But how do they monetize their TikTok channels? Many people use TikTok just for fun, and they have no idea that they can earn a lot of money through this channel. Let me share with you some ways of monetization. So one of the things you can do is to sell your own products and services. For instance, you can sell your own merchandise, your services, online courses, consultations. But the first thing you need to do is to build a community around your brand, make them feel special, do live streaming, answer their questions, connect with them. People don't like to see advertising, so you need to make your promotional videos funny and engaging. The next thing you can do is affiliate marketing. For instance, if someone buys any service or product through your affiliate link, you get paid some commission for it. So it's quite popular way how people monetize their YouTube channels. You can become an influencer and collaborate with brands, but it doesn't mean that you will buy followers and brands will start approaching you. Today there are different applications, programs that allow brands to check if your audience is real, because brands want to work with people who have organic following and engaged. Competition is growing today, so I think you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to start collaborating with brands. Another thing which is quite popular on Instagram, and you can do the same on TikTok, you grow an account and then you sell that account to the brand. For instance, you need to pick a niche, grow the audience, community around that niche, and then you can find a brand who is interested to access your audience, and you can sell that account to that brand. If you sell some products or services, you can use TikTok ads. It's basically similar to Facebook and Instagram ads, so TikTok has its own ads account. You just need to sign up, build the campaign and run it on TikTok. So this way you will drive traffic to a landing page or website where people can buy your services or products. And one more method how you can make money on TikTok is to promote other accounts. So I think you need to reach around 25,000 followers, and then if there are accounts who have similar audiences and they want to get more followers, they can pay you money and you will give them shout out and you will promote the accounts. So now guys, you have more information about how you can monetize your TikTok channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to know more information about TikTok, ask your questions there. I will be happy to create more useful content for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!